Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make an amazing painting in Adobe Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get editing. Back in the mind-blowing world of Photoshop, I've got here a beautiful picture. So the first thing we've got to do is duplicate this photo. To duplicate this, hit Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then go to the filter menu. In the filter, find Convert for a smart filter. The purpose of the smart filter is you can easily change the filter on the photo undestructively. And just hit OK. After that, go to the filter menu again to apply a filter to the smart object. Next, find Stylize. And on the Stylize, find the oil paint. Then on Stylization, change it to, let's say, 2.8. I think we can adjust this like 3. Next, on Cleanliness, change it to, let's say, 5.5. Oops. Sorry. And it's nice. And then hit OK. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this Photoshop tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.